Hey, hey, what? Raymack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Raymack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Raymack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Raymack's Kitchen and Grill. Hey YouTube family, what's up? This your boy Raymack. Today we're going to do us some southern fried air wings in the air fryer. And I'm going to show you how to make these the perfect air fried chicken wings that you could possibly taste. So the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and get you some chicken wings. I got here at least around about a good 2 pounds of wings, and I'm tossing in some of this here onion butter. This is that Fire and Smoke Society seasoning. You can find this at Walmart. If you can't, then go ahead and find you something else compatible with this seasoning at your local store. Then I'm taking some of this here Sazon, and I want to go ahead and take 1 pack of this and sprinkle it right on these here wings, because this Sazon seasoning is going to give it an awesome flavor to this. I'm telling you, y'all, this is going to be a simple and easy recipe for you to try. And if you try this recipe, I guarantee you, you're going to love it. So after this right here, I'm going to toss in some of this here ground paprika. It's going to give it a nice little mahogany color as you cook it in the air fryer as well. But last but not least, I want to toss in some of this here mustard. Just going to bind the seasonings together, and it's going to help us with that seasoned flour. So don't go nowhere. If you do, you're going to miss something good. So we're going to mix this baby right on up. We're going to mix this right on up. We're going to mix it right on up. Don't go nowhere. Now I have me some seasoned flour. This is that malt seasoned flour. You could use whatever kind of seasoned flour you can as far as it goes with frying your chicken, or you could use plain. So I got some of ranch seasoning, okay? You can make your homemade ranch seasoning, or you could buy that Hidden Valley ranch seasoning. Trust and believe me, you can't go wrong. Add this to your flour, mix it up pretty good. Take your chicken wings and dredge it in the flour. Now, once you've dredged your chicken wings inside that flour, I want you to go ahead and toss it in your air fryer basket. Fry these wings at 350 degrees for at least around about 15 minutes. And the halfway mark of 15 minutes, while you're frying them, I want you to melt you some butter in the microwave and just wipe you some butter on each side and let it cook for the rest of the minutes. Once your chicken temp to 165 degrees internally, your chicken wings are done. So let's go.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
As you can see, our wings look golden brown and crispy. I'm telling you something right now. Are you a flats person or a drumette person? Because these wings came out pretty good. As you can see, I want to remove the bone from this here flat. And this is going to be easy eating. So comment below. Let me know if you like the drumette or the flat part of the chicken wing. And I'm telling you, y'all got to try this. So as you can see, I added that butter right in between the time while it was cooking in the air fryer. And this is what it's giving us, some good tasting, crispy wings. And look at here, y'all, all meat. Yes, Lord. So seasonal. You can eat them just like that, or you could take you a few of your wings and you could add some of this here homemade ranch seasoning or Hidden Valley ranch seasoning, your choice. And then on top of that, take you some lemon pepper and sprinkle it right on top. You can eat these wings just like this and still have fun. But I want to go ahead and take some of my hot honey mixture and put it right on top of this here. If you want to know how I make this hot honey mixture, go back and look at a couple of my previous videos with the meatball recipe and the salmon recipe, and you will see definitely how I made this here hot honey mixture. And I'm telling you, it pairs up nicely with these air fried southern wings. My God, it was so good and tasty. And I'm telling you something right now, if you try this recipe, this is a guarantee. You will definitely love this while you're watching that football game. Come on, somebody. While you're watching that baseball game, that hockey game, whatever game you want to watch, you're going to love this here recipe. So try it. Raymackstyle. Comment below. Let me know how you like this here recipe. Do me a favor. Give this a thumbs up if you like what you see. But look at this here plate. Will you pay $12 for this here fried chicken plate? That's 2 pieces of fried chicken with some homemade macaroni, homemade yams. Then I also got a $5 plate with some homemade macaroni and cheese, 1 piece of chicken, along with some hush puppies. Let me know if you would pay $5 for this here particular plate. And then will you pay $12 for this here particular plate? I just want to know your comments, y'all. That's all. So subscribe to Raymack's Kitchen and Grill by clicking on my picture, and then watch these here couple of videos as well. And I'm hoping and praying that you will definitely subscribe, become a Raymack's family member. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. I love you all. Peace.